Welcome in Daily Newspaper Editorial Side Your Program Now Headline. Born in USA, Times of India. World trumped in 5 days. Patrick Bassam. First respite, then hopefully peace. The Economic Time. Now headline in detail. Born in USA, The Times of India. Trump should take U-turn on birthright citizenship. Immigrant babies can make America great again. Countless Indian US may now be suffering sleepless nights thanks to Trump's executive order on ending right citizenship, be they on the student or work visas or the million plus who are in a decades long quick for a green card. Their planned family future has lost its solidity overnight while this move had made buzz during the election campaign. The broader thinking was that it would only target children of illegal immigrants. There is a strong legal argument against the order built around whether it violates the US Constitution. Accordingly, 22 states have already sued to block it. This battle is likely to be prolonged and go up to the US Supreme Court, which currently boasts a firmly conservative majority. But it's the economic argument Trump must heed to fulfill his promise of backing America into a golden age. Trump's right that there's birth terrorism. He's wrong to be throwing the baby out with the bathwater to threaten to turn the children of legal immigrants into undocumented persons. A 2023 study found 45% of Fortune 500 companies were new American companies founded by immigrants or their children. Yes, the manufacturing jobs that once powered the white working class are gone, but nostalgia is unhelpful at best. Immigrants are not responsible for structural inequality in America. Ramsway remark about amount viewing excellence over mediocrity cost him his job, but the only thing he got wrong was to say mediocrity in America culture. It is not. That's why many immigrants' children have risen to plum position unimaginable in their external landscapes. Killing them would deeply injure tomorrow's American prosperity. World trumped in 5 days. American won't be innovative, no messing around in US background. And make in America import less, though on source countries of illegal immigrants favor government rules of Americans. Patrick Bassam, the writer, is the director of Democracy Institute. Trump's first term showed he mostly keeps his campaigning promise. It is possible, therefore, to calculate several ways his second term may change America and the world. No more global policeman. Trump is a foreign police non-interventionist. He does not want America to be the global policeman, so the world will be see less of Trump's America as he will try to end conflict and keep out of as many wars as possible. A peace through strength modus operandi will vigorously defend American interests while mostly leaving the rest of the world alone. An expression of Trump's 2020 Abraham Accord between Israel and Persian Gulf nations, which isolate rather than appease Iran will follow his best Asia envoy successful area I Hassam hostage deal. These efforts single a custodial rather than a diminuting best Asia role for America. Trump will shortly brook a merciful end of the Ukraine-Russia war. Such diplomatic maneuver democratic Trump's insisted upon less America as treason expanded and blood potentially spilled on foreign soil. Washington will stop picking political winners and losers in other countries. America will intervene less military, financially subsides government less, and therefore less in foreign elections. Under red, white, and blue. patriotism and nationalist sentiments will be boosted by transaction moves designed to enhance America's territorial and economic security in her geographic backyard. Both actions will plurality Trump's globalistic crest. In Central America, Trump will be demanded Panama return control of the Canal Zone. He cited violation of the 1977 deal that gifted the canal to Panama and led to Chinese control of these portable shipping lanes between Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Strong borders, strong country. Trumps believe you are really not a country without a secure border. For him, illegal immigration is an essential issue for US. Hence, Trump will deport as many as possible of the estimate 20 million illegal immigrants. Small is beautiful. Trump seeks to shrink a federal government cast incompetence and inefficient and to lessen the state intrudes upon Americans' daily lives, gargantuan in size and scope, government tax spend and borrows and record levels at produce economic health and social outcomes. Trump's bill refocus it on core tasks, national security, transportation, courts, trade and disaster relief. Trump's opposition to central bank digital currencies, EU-style currency, who decades World Economic Forum prescription, and Chinese-style social credit scores force shadows like his likely impact. His administration will lessen its control over the people. It will do fewer things, but it will do them better both at home and abroad. First respite, then hopefully peace. The Economic Times. After 15 months of relentless conflict in Gaza Strip and Israel-Hamas scare broke by the US, Qatar and Egypt on January 15 offers hope, fragile hope. Over 6 weeks, Hamas will release 33 Israeli hostages while Israel will free 90,000 Palestinian prisoners. Talks about ending the war, which began with the October 7, 2023 Hamas attack and rebuilding Gaza, are set on beginning on February 4. But let there be no illusions. The ceasefire is not peace, it's a temporary repair view with some fortune. It could become a first step toward lasting resolution in a region desperate for stability. Already cracks, so Israel settlers have apparently touched Palestinian properties and at least 10 Palestinians are killed and nearly 40 injured during a major Israeli operation in Jenin. For now, guns are silent in Gaza. Aid is coming in again, and Palestinians and Israel are hoping to rebuild without concert effort by ceasefire. Archicast to engage in food fair. Peace will remain a mirage, and his truce will be just a pause before violence resumes. Thank